In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best ways to make extra money without leaving your day job. Hello, and welcome to my channel. I know that finding ways to make extra money can be tough, especially if you're working a full-time job and don't have a lot of time on your hands. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best and easiest ways to make a little bit of extra cash without having to quit your day job. 1. Get a part-time job from home. Working part-time from the comfort of your own home is a great way to make some extra bucks without really disrupting the day job. All you need is access to an internet connection and a get-up-and-go attitude. From teaching online to proofreading essays, there are countless part-time jobs you can do from home with minimal effort and within a reasonable time frame. If web content is your cup of tea, loads of companies hire freelance writers and copy editors to create content for them at flexible hours, leaving you plenty of time for your 9-to-5 job as well. Moreover, if you're into something more idiosyncratic, like voiceovers or designing stickers, there are plenty of part-time gigs that won't take too much time out of your day but gives back in dollars. Well worth it. 2. Sell items you no longer need online or at a garage sale. Have you ever wondered how you can make some extra cash without doing too much? Garage sales and online platforms provide an easy way to turn items that are cluttering up your home into money. From clothes and shoes, furniture, books and DVDs, knick-knacks to old sporting equipment, whatever it is you have lying around gathering dust and taking up space, somebody out there might just need it and be willing to pay for it. Hosting a garage sale or selling items online takes minimal effort but could potentially result in quite a bit of extra pocket money. Plus, they won't take away from your day job in order to free up your time. So what are you waiting for? Start clearing out the clutter and watch the coins stack up. 3. Rent out a room in your house on Airbnb. Renting out a room in your house on Airbnb can be a great way to make some extra cash without leaving your day job. With minimal effort, you can rent out one of your spare rooms to weary travelers and bring in a pretty penny. Not only could you bring in some extra cash with minimal effort, but if you're lucky, you might even meet and get to know amazing people. Plus, who doesn't want to share a laugh with new acquaintances while raking in the dough? In order to do this, you'll need to first create an account on the Airbnb website. Then, you'll need to list your spare room, including details such as the location, size, and amenities. You'll also need to upload photos of the room and set a price. Once your listing is live, you'll be able to start accepting bookings from travelers. So rent out that spare bedroom and join the Airbnb revolution today. We promise it'll be worth it. 4. Offer pet sitting services. Being a pet sitter is the perfect way to make extra money without having to look for a second job. Not only are pet sitting services increasingly in demand, but pet owners will be glad to know they can trust someone with the well-being of their beloved pet while they are away. From charging pet parents per visit, walking fee or overnight pet sitting fee, you can customize your pet sitting charges according to your own schedule and business goals. What's more, pet sitting gives you some furry friends as companions. Who could possibly say no to that? And don't worry, if having a permanent tail won't work for you. Pet sitting opportunities come and go just like our lovely little four-legged friends. 5. Do odd jobs for people in your community. Taking up a couple of odd jobs on the side is an excellent way to make a little extra pocket money. It's like a job in disguise, as it not only rewards you financially but also offers great benefits that your regular job cannot provide. You have the freedom to pick and choose what kind of work you'd like to do in your own time and at your own pace without any obligation or pressure from the traditional 9-to-5 work life. In addition, you get to meet new people and widen your social circle, so it really is win-win situation. 6. Participate in paid focus groups or surveys. If you're looking to put some extra money into your pockets, paid focus groups and surveys can be an easy way to do so. Many companies offer cash or gift card incentives for participating in their studies, which can be a great opportunity to get paid while expressing your opinion. In fact, some of these opportunities don't require you to leave the comforts of home. They're often conducted online, reducing the hassle of commuting. To get started, Simply search online for popular survey websites and start filling out their applications. You'll be able to see their listed rewards for participating too. Not a bad way to supplement your income without taking too much time away from your day job. 7. Tutor students in your area of expertise. Tutoring students in your area of expertise can be a great way to make some extra money without having to quit your day job. Not only is it a great way to keep yourself busy after hours and generate some side income, but tutoring can also be an incredibly rewarding experience. There are a wide variety of subjects and skills that you can tutor students in, depending on your own expertise and experience. Some examples include math, science, languages, test preparation, computer programming and coding, music, art, writing, and business. Not only you will be making extra money, but you will also be passing on your knowledge to someone else. 8. Investing in stocks, real estate, or other investment opportunities is a great way to potentially earn passive income. By putting your money into these types of investments, you are allowing it to grow over time, potentially earning you a profit. When it comes to stocks, you can purchase shares in a company, and as the company performs well, the value of the shares increases, resulting in a profit for the stockholder. It's important to do your research and choose companies that have a good track record and a strong potential for growth. Real estate investing can also be a great way to earn passive income. This can be done through rental properties, where you earn money from the rent paid by tenants, or through flipping properties, where you purchase a property, make renovations, and resell it for a higher price. It's important to keep in mind that real estate investing can be a bit more hands-on than stock investing, and it may require more time and resources. Other investment opportunities such as buying bonds, investing in mutual funds, or starting a business can also provide the potential for passive income. However, it's essential to remember that all investments come with risks, and it's important to do your due diligence and consult with financial advisors before making any investment decisions. 9. Ride-sharing services. Driving for a ride-sharing service like Uber or Lyft is a great way to earn extra money on the side. As a driver, you have the flexibility to set your own schedule and work as much or as little as you want. It's a great option for people who want to earn money while having a flexible schedule, such as students, stay-at-home parents, or retirees. To become a driver for a ride-sharing service, you will need to have a valid driver's license and a reliable vehicle that meets the company's requirements. You will also have to go through a background check and have your vehicle inspected. Once you are approved, you can start accepting rides through the company's app, and you will be paid for each ride you complete. One of the benefits of driving for a ride-sharing service is that you can earn money while using your own vehicle, which can offset the cost of owning and maintaining it. Additionally, you have the opportunity to meet new people and explore your local area. There are many ways to make extra money without leaving your day job. Whether it's working part-time from home, selling items you no longer need, renting out a room, offering pet sitting services, doing odd jobs, or participating in paid focus groups or surveys, there are plenty of options to choose from. It's all about finding something that fits your schedule, interests, and skills. So, don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore different ways to make some extra cash. With a little effort and creativity, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make extra money.